the bibliography, one of the most reliable reversal patterns in technical analysis is the head and shoulders. It is based purely on price action, and this is where its reliability stems from. But let's go ahead and apply it on a price chart so we can witness ourselves its value. The formation of a head and shoulders reversal at the top of the uptrend on the Euro-USD daily time frame, for example, signals the end of the upward direction and the early beginning of a new trend in the opposite direction, downwards. And to be more precise, that was signaled when prices violated successfully the corresponding neckline. I hope this is clear. One more example before I let you go. This time on Dow Jones Industrial Average on the daily time frame again. After a decline in prices, the presence of a double bottom on the price chart and the breach of the current top level signals the beginning of a new trend to the upside. I am sure you see the value of these popular reversal patterns. See you soon.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.